some days you just feel bad for people. This particular person today came in with a GAZ 170MX Gaming 5 motherboard that he'd recently put together, and opened it up, had a look. Turned out he had a Intel i7 8700 in there, which, as most people in the tech industry should realise, that is not compatible with the 170 chipset. So straightforward, swap that over to an i5 7600, and from there the machine still wouldn't post. It would beep 5 times, indicating CPU issue. I discovered one bent pin on the board, straightened that out, still no good. So after much stuffing around, I ended up pulling the pin and saying, nah, no good, this board's cactused. It even needs a BIOS update to work. But I didn't have any other processors on hand, so I wasn't able to go down that path. Anyway, as I was packing up his system to put it aside to reorder a Z370 motherboard, I had another look at his 8700, and what I discovered was not pleasant. So right now I'm just showing the, yes, I am showing the 8700, and see a big kink near my thumb. And again, near my thumb, 2 corners have been heavily bent. Right there and there. Which, for a $500 Australian dollar processor, that's not good. I've got no idea if this will function again, but yeah, definitely feel sorry for the guy. Tried to build his own system, and yeah, heavily damaged a chip. Ouch.